Hey guys, welcome to this new video again. And today we are going to learn about how affiliate link works. In this lesson, you will learn exactly how affiliate link works and how they can track your referrals so that you get paid. The basic concept is that, let me just change my slide so that you get an idea. The basic concept is that you send just hold on. The basic concept is that this is you. So you send traffic to your affiliate program and you start promoting that, and when people who are visiting your program purchases from that particular platform or service, you make a commission, and that commission depends on the percentage of the program that they're offering. So the way affiliate link works is that when someone clicks on the referral link that you receive from an affiliate program, you receive a commission when they complete a certain action. So this is quite important for you to understand, because without this you won't be able to track how much you are making a sale and where from you're getting that sales. So this is quite crucial for affiliate marketing business. And the most important part is that how would you receive the money, right? So this is the way you get commissions payment, either through check, either through PayPal, or even whatever method you choose. There are multiple platforms that transfer money directly to your bank account. Say for example, um, Pioneer is a platform, PayPal is a platform, Paytm is from Indian customers. It's a different platform, so you can make money using these platforms. So what is the basic rule of this? Your referrals are getting tracked through your referral link, and when you are given from an affiliate offer, and when the referral link is how the referral link works, the next question is how it works. So you send your traffic using paid or free media to your anchor text. And what is anchor text? These are some keyword terms that I'm going to use. In terms for you to understand, you have to know this anchor text terms or any kind of related terms for affiliate marketing. Anchor text are basically, just hold on, I'll show you what is anchor. You can see from this link, right? This is a code. You don't have to understand, or you don't have to use any kind of coding knowledge. You just have to know what is anchor text. Anchor text are basically this thing. You can see from here, this is a clickable link. When I click on this link, a new page will open. So see, that was a clickable link, so that is called anchor text. So let me show you how you can create an anchor text. You go to your WordPress website. In the backend, you click on any post, or if you click on add new, you have to create a page first or a post, and then you have to implement the anchor text. Anchor texts are basically used to guide your visitors to click on some link. Say for example, I have this text: hi, welcome to my second YouTube video, and I want to make this YouTube video an anchor text. So what I'll do is I'll quickly just go to my YouTube channel and find the video that I want to promote, and you just click on your mouse and select this particular text. Click on this one, insert or edit link, and you paste that link from here. Say for example, this is my video, so I'll just copy this link and I'll paste this one in the anchor text. So this has created a hyperlink. If I click on preview pages, I will be able to click on that link and it will direct me to YouTube, that particular YouTube video. So see, this one is not showing. Let me just change the color for you to understand. You can change, by the way, you can change your color and everything with WordPress. So I'll teach you how to create a website, and that is in week 4 or week 5. I'm going to teach you, so don't worry. So you can see the color has been changed. So if I click, this one is a link now. If I click on this link, it would direct me to that particular YouTube video. So this is quite cool. So all you have to do is click on make your traffic click on that particular anchor text, which will contain your referral link from that affiliate offer. If they clicks on that link, they would be transferred to that particular affiliate offer. If they make a purchase, you make commissions. So this is how it works. The basic concept is this is how it works. So yeah, and then what is when is considered to be an conversion? The conversion or the commission, when will you understand like you got a commission from this particular program? The action that determines whether a conversion has taken place is considered to be a commission. When people visit your affiliate offer page, sales page, if they buy that offer, you make a commission. As simple as that. So depending on this type of program, on the type of program you are promoting, there are three kinds of affiliate offers you can promote: a percentage of the sale amount, fixed basis commission, and pay per lead, that is so what is percentage of sale amount? You send, just let me take on my handy pen tool. You send traffic to this particular offer that you are promoting, and the offer is costing like $100 for each customer. If they purchase from your referral link, you get a 25% commission per sale. So you make how much? You make $25 from each person. So one sale would translate to $25. If you make two sales in that particular day, you would get $50. And if possible you make 50 sales, you would get $2,500. So this is quite important for you to understand. In order to get offers, in order to get commissions on a huge monthly basis or a daily basis, like people, I know people who are making 10K per day using affiliate offers. So you can understand how much traffic they are sending to that particular offer and how much sales they are making. So you cannot there are many programs that can give you commission. There are high ticket programs. High ticket programs are basically those programs which give commissions more than 25% or anything. So if the program costs say for example $1,000, or even there are programs like $10,000 program. So if you try to promote these $10,000 programs, you would get like even if you get a 10% commission from this, so how much will you be able to make from each customer? You would make like uh, $1,000, right? So straight off, you are making $1,000 with one person, and instead of $25, you are making $1,000. So if you make two sales, you would get $2,000 easily, and that's quite easy. So you don't have to do anything. You just have to send traffic to that offer page, and the backend team from that particular program is going to make sure that your visitors purchase those offer because they want to make money, and they want to give you commissions for helping them out. So this is quite simple. So the next step is next kind of program is called fixed basis program, and this is where you send traffic to your particular offer and you make a certain percentage per lead. That means you are sending traffic to your offer, and they are paying you. If you can see from the lower below down corner, you can see like they are paying you 46 CPA. What is CPA? CPA is cost per acquisition. So that means when people are visiting your offer and they give their email ID or even they purchase that particular offer from you, that is considered as a lead. So you are making $45 per lead. And I have one business partner who is into solar business consulting. So what he does, he has 30,000 uh, leads in his account. He has generated 30,000 leads, and what he does is he he sells those leads to different solar companies for $35 per lead. So you can understand how much profit he has made from this particular course, right? So this is quite easy as well. You can expect like there are multiple offers that promote or give you the ability to send traffic to a particular page, and you if they sign up to that particular offer, you make sales. you make commissions per lead. So even if they don't purchase, there's an offer that is the next option that I'm going to teach you. Yeah, the next one is pay per lead basis. This is quite important, and this one is also recommended. So you send traffic to your offer. If they verify their email, you make a commission on particular leads. So this is quite similar to this one, fixed basis, but here's a catch. You have to make them verify their email, and in the fixed basis you have to make sure they purchase from you, and in the free per pay per lead basis, sorry about that, pay per lead basis, it's quite simple. You have to just make them verify their email, and it's quite easy to do that. So these are the three different kinds of affiliate offers that are working for many affiliate marketers right now. So the next question comes, how long does an affiliate code gets tracked? So this means like uh, for how many days, if you send one visitor to that particular page, and if they did not purchase from you, so how would you make money, or even identify like you made money after 3 days if the same person purchased from you, thinking like okay, say for example, um, the person you referred, he was traveling or she was traveling in a bus, and he or she couldn't take out their credit card at that particular moment. So that's why they thought, okay, so when I reach home, I'll make sure I purchase the offer. And that thing did not came. And they reached home and they went out for a dinner or something like that, and they forgot about your offer. On the third day, they remembered, oh, I saw this particular advertisement and I wanted to purchase that offer. I want to take my business to the next level. Say, for example, you are promoting online money making offers. So how would you get tracked after 3 days? So this depends on different types of offers that you're promoting. Different affiliate programs have different timelines for when the customer needs to complete that particular action. These are determined by cookies, and cookies can detect for 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, and 180 days. I can give you an technique or strategy that will make Amazon affiliate cookies track that particular link for 180 days. I know that trick, so I can teach you that, but that becomes a later video. Just hold on for some time, some days. So the time frame, the longer the time frame, the better it will be, because many times a person does not purchase the product right at that moment. As I have given you an example, they did not purchase because they were traveling or they had some work to do. So then they may think about to purchase in the next week or so. So if they do sign up later, this gives you a customer or the cookie link to have more time to think about the purchase, which gives you a better chance of earning a good commission. So that is it, guys. I have taught you the basic concepts about how affiliate link works and what is affiliate marketing. In my next video, you would learn um, the amount of traffic you need to make commissions. You can build all these strategies. You can have renowned landing pages. You can have uh, offers that give you $10,000 per sale. But the thing is, if you don't bring traffic, it's not going to work. So in my next video, you would learn the amount of traffic you need and how to determine what your reader wants. So stay tuned, and I hope to see you in my next video.